voice typing in Google Docs, how to make content for your website, for your blogs, for any post really quickly using Google Docs and your voice. Now, you don't need any expensive software like you used to years ago. All you're going to need is a microphone, something like this. Doesn't have to be as fancy as that, or the headset, your mobile phone. You don't necessarily need your mobile phone, but if you've got your mobile phone, I'll show you how you can use that. So, because it's got a microphone, but you can also use it to remotely create content for your Google Docs as well. So let's head over to the computer. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to Google Docs. Now, you may have this icon. If you go to Google, you might say this icon here. If you click on that, if not, if you just enter in your search, Google Docs, that should take you to the relevant site. So I'll go to Google Docs. Now, the first time you use it, if you haven't used voice on Google Docs before, if I just replicate, so somebody going there for the first time, the pop-up box, you won't necessarily see this. This is Grammarly. This is a third-party tool for correcting spelling. I'm actually dyslexic, so it helps with the spelling and stuff like that. That's why I like this tool. It's absolutely brilliant. So if we go to Tools, Voice Typing, so if I click that, because I've not give this browser permission to use the microphone before, so if I click that, it'll ask me now, do I wish to give this or allow it to use the microphone? Obviously, if I say block, it's not going to hear the microphone, so the entire process would be wasted. So if I say allow, then it would actually pick up the microphone. So I've already got one set up. So if I go to this document here, there's a couple of ways of accessing the tools. One is tool voice typing. The other option is to go Control-Shift-S on a PC or Command-Shift-S if you're on a Mac. I use it on a regular basis, so I've actually programmed this shortcut key on this productivity keyboard. So if I press that, you'll see the microphone pop up on screen. And all I need to do is, it's already picking me up anyway. If you want to grow your business using all aspects of the internet, tap the subscribe button now so you don't miss out on any videos. Another thing I can do is if I've got a phone and I've got Google Docs on there, so this is a mirror of the document I've created. So as you can see, the microphone is turned off on the screen. If I turn the one on the phone, if I'm out and about and I'm busy, I can create my content on the road. New paragraph. This can be a great time saver. You don't need it to be placed both on your phone and on screen, but I'm just trying to show you that if you can create it on your mobile, you can then revert to the big screen, your laptop or your desktop, to make your final edits. There is a whole list of commands for formatting. I'll bring that list over now. You can select your word, your last word, your phrases, things like commands like new paragraph. You can bold your text, change paragraph. There's a whole raft of... I won't go through them all. I'll leave a link to this in the comments below. I just use this as a mind dump. It's quicker to format it, I find, in the normal way, and then I just use it to mind dump my ideas and content, both on the big screen or through the mobile. And one last time, if you have found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up or star rating, depending which option you've got. If you haven't, send it to somebody you don't like.